Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the platform is current, update Windows, and reboot so system libraries are stable. Next, install the latest GPU driver from NVIDIA or AMD. This replaces corrupt DirectX runtime hooks. Once done, open your launcher and verify game files to restore missing or damaged binaries. You perform these steps now because DirectX errors often stem from outdated drivers or broken game files, and this sequence eliminates the most common causes before deeper troubleshooting. You now tackle middleware and configuration. Run the DirectX offline or web installer to repair DLLs and D3D runtime entries. This fixes version mismatches. Then, force the game to use your discrete GPU and set preferred power plan to high performance so rendering isn't throttled. Also, disable any overlays and background capture tools because they inject hooks that can conflict with DirectX. Make sure to run the game as administrator once these changes are applied to allow proper access to drivers and logs. You finish by eliminating external blockages, temporarily disable antivirus, or add exceptions for the game folder so real-time scanning isn't blocking DirectX calls. Then reset the game's graphics profile to default and raise settings stepwise to isolate a problematic option. If the error persists, collect crash logs from the game folder and perform a clean GPU driver install using the in safe mode. This wipes residual driver files that commonly cause DirectX failures. Key tip: if nothing helps, capture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.